Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I show you the niche, I want to show you my two Etsy courses that I just finished uploading. Here they are right here. I'm selling them on Gumroad. The first one is an Etsy success course. Everything you need to know to set up your Etsy shop for success. It's only $19.99. You get 14 lessons and it's 35 minutes of content. And I have another Etsy course that's for Etsy SEO. Learn how to set up your Etsy listings the right way. It's also $19.99. You get 9 lessons and 27 minutes of content. These courses are good for people that are beginners on Etsy and for people that are struggling to get sales on Etsy. And if we take a look at my credentials on Etsy, you're going to see that for this month of September, a little more than halfway through, I've done 2,100 or close to 2,200 in revenue and 105 orders. All right, now this revenue is not oh yeah, just gotta say on Etsy. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is not a profit. This is revenue. So I make about 45% because I also sell digital downloads on this shop as well. But now let's go back to the content. If you're interested in these classes, the courses, the links are going to be in the description and in the pinned comment. Okay, now let's get back to the content. So the niche that I have for you today is ghouls just want to have fun. And so this is what the design looks like right here. We're going to see that there's only 415 results. And when we look at some of these designs, like these two right here, we're going to see that they were just uploaded in August of 2022, so about a month and a half ago. And we're going to see that they're already selling. And these BSRs are going to get lower as we get closer to Halloween. If we check on test to see if this phrase is trademarked, and we hit enter, we're going to see that nothing comes up. When we look at the competition on Etsy, we're going to see there's 886 results. And when we look at the competition on Redbubble, we're going to see that there's a low amount of results, only 613. And on TeePublic, I saw that there's very little competition as well. If you go to Vexels, you can find some good graphics and clip art. I have an affiliate link in the description. So here, if you type in ghost, you can get some good, like I said, clip art for your designs. I believe Vexels is only $20 a month, but in my opinion, they have the best graphics for print on demand. And at first, when I first saw this design or this niche, I was like, I don't know, this might be a little risky because it's kind of like there's a famous song that says "Girls Just Want to Have Fun." I think it might be by Cyndi Lauper. I don't know, double checking on that. But and so I was like, yeah, I don't know, this might be a little risky. But then when I did a little more research and I found, this design right here. If we look at this design right here, we're going to see that it was uploaded July 22nd, 2017. So if Amazon has allowed this design to be on here for, I don't know, maybe like 5 years, I don't think it should be any problem. There was also a niche that came out when Roe v. Wade first broke that would say girls just want to have fundamental rights, and those designs are still selling. So in my opinion, this is a safe design. This is good because it's in the Halloween niche, and it's also targeted towards women. So you want to think about that. You want to use kind of like girly fonts, girly colors. That's going to help the design sell better. And that's basically going to be the niche for today. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I know I haven't been uploading that much recently. I've just been busy with some other work and creating the Etsy courses. Hopefully I can get back to uploading more daily content. But if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. If you go to my YouTube channel, you're going to see I have recent upload playlists, and I also have a September 2022 trending niches playlist. If you're looking for more design ideas, if you're looking for more trending niches, consider checking out my channel so you can hopefully get some more sales for your print-on-demand business. And that's basically going to be it. If you want to purchase the Etsy courses, the links will be in the description and the pinned comment. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.